at those clouds just moving. We were hauling, huh?
There's so many jumps I could get.
I know.
I almost rear-ended you a couple times, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was my fault.
Sorry, we're gonna take the rest of the way as road.
You think I would have learned my lesson the last time I got too
Fix
close?
your mirrors.
Remember about the car that's like...
Look what you did to my bike.
It's all Mad Max now, dude.
It's like really like a dirt bike.
See what you did to this guy.
Nothing. I didn't touch this thing, man. It's in perfect shape.
Scratches right
I
there.
got. Oh, that's dirt. That's just dirt.
I got my front fairing cracked from this guy slamming into me.
I got that on GoPro.
Good, I want to see that.
Yeah, you should have seen the two of you just melting together. Meow. Boom.
Trying to get away from
I know, and he kept booming all
I
over.
was just like, this is all bad. This is all bad.
I gotta go off the road, and I looked to the right, and it's straight down. I was like, okay, we're not gonna.
Alright, can you see somewhat? That mirror is completely upside down. That one over there, no, the other one. Turn that one, there you go. Alright, you're good. Now, the backlight's falling off. Gotta fix that. It's fixed.
Yeah, the backlight's all crooked. Dude, I got so much good footage of you just fucking laying waste to your body.
Oh, did you? I can't wait to see that.
It doesn't hurt the day you crash.
That's what makes a video good. You always want to be behind the guy.
Everybody eating it, so.
Me too?
Yeah, when you.
That one. Just not a turnaround. It was just a rut.
Well, that's all I did. I stopped and I dropped it when I put my foot in the rut, but then he crashed into
Look at
me.
my bike. It's finally dirty.
Finally,
It's
we've had it
broken
for like
in.
2 hours.
I know. Okay, we're gonna go down this road, all the way around the lake, and up the mountain.
Yeah, we're gonna take 138.
Yeah.
We're on the street the whole time.
Yeah, all street. No.
Unless we take that water-
No more. Huh?
unless we take the waterfall shortcut.
I don't know. What do you think? You want to go to another?
We've had enough dirt. We'll get plenty
We
of
have,
dirt.
tomorrow we got all day on dirt. Are you up for it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you
stand a
sure?
I'm gonna be...
You sure?
I'm gonna try to get ready enough to go straight up
Say
that
what though,
motherfucker
you
right
stand a lot like this, you're gonna try and tomorrow, because we're riding for such long distances, every chance you get to sit where it looks nice and soft and smooth, sit down and relax. Otherwise your legs are gonna be fucking
Yeah,
pumped out by the end
I
of the day.
learned how to shift my weight a little bit with my knees.
Yeah. Turn your toes in.
Yeah. But make sure you use your Make sure you don't straighten up your legs. You got it like this. You're using it as shock absorbers, right?
Go a little bit pigeon-toed on the pegs and it helps you to grip the tank a little
Yeah. You see me taking those turns and just swirling it? You weren't watching. I was trying to impress you, but
I
you.
slowed down a little bit when you're like, whoa. You know, you're going at a berm.
You don't look far enough ahead. I watch your head all the time.
Yep.
Yeah, you're looking too far. Right.
What is that?
Look
out
20 feet, 30 feet out.
Oh, yeah, longer than that. You should have your head should look level.
Yeah.
Unless you're in super technical stuff where you really need to watch.
And remember what I told you? In your mind, picture where you're going to go and take that turn. Take it where you told yourself you're going to take it. Otherwise, you'll fixate and you'll go off to the side.
You're going to go wherever you're looking.
Yeah.
So if you're looking at something you don't want to hit,
You're going to hit it.
you look at the spot that isn't that.
Yeah. You got to constantly have your eyes looking back and forth.
I'm like, I'm trying to maneuver. I'm like, oh, come on, you know, like,
And do the throttle, and do the brakes, and do the this. I know. Watch that berm and watch it. Yeah, you kind of have to do that. You kind of have to throw the bike where you want it.
Yeah.
Well, I get the prize for dirtiest bike because I was behind both of you getting all your fucking dust. Look at this shit.
Yeah, it's definitely had it today. But that's okay. We're going on another race tomorrow. You- Yeah, we got stuff up there. Look, it's coming off over there too.
Oh, I lost a freaking bolt right here.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Oh, yeah, you are missing a bolt. Alright, well. So what? Are you having fun yet? That's fun, huh? Even if you fall a couple of times, it's fun.